Continuing on with 6-5. With example 4, you'll notice that we do have a plus sign now. Basically, what you're going to want to do is try and get like terms. Now, your like terms are going to look a little different than when you had, say, 2x plus 3x. That just equaled 5x. Your like terms, your x this time, is actually going to be a radical. So here's how you do this. First things first, you want to go ahead and simplify each radical. So I recognize on here that I can rewrite this as 4 times 2, and the square root of 4 is just a nice happy 2, and the square root of 2 I can't do anything with, so I'm stuck leaving it as a 2. Don't forget there's a 4 multiplier on the outside, so 4 times 2 is 8 root 2. Now you're adding. Do the same thing here. I recognize that 50 can be split into 25 and 2. Again, I'm looking for the largest square number that evenly divides into your number up here. And 25 does. The square root of 25 is a nice happy 5. I'm stuck with the square root of 2. Don't forget your 3. 3 times 5 is 15 with a root 2. So, again, imagination land over here. I'm making random stuff up. If I gave you 8x plus 15x, you would say, oh, just combine like terms. That's 23x. Okay, that's all that you're doing over here. It's just that instead of having an x, you have a root 2. So you're going to add the number on the outside. So that's going to be 23. And then just like you did over here with the x, you just leave it square root 2. Don't try and add them together. Don't try and multiply them. Just leave it exactly square root 2. You're adding like terms. That's your answer. Now, if I take a peek over here at 4b, and I'm going to maybe cheat here for a second. I'm just going to get us down to this step here. That's a plus sign. Minus, this will end up being 8 root 2. Notice here, root 3, root 3, root 2. That root 2 is not going to be able to be combined because it's not a like term. So this one's final answer would be 16 root 3, minus 8 root 2. They cannot be combined because the 3 and the 2 aren't the same.